As we have been repairing our fuel system on Satori and getting ready to depart Luperon, we took some time off to explore the Dominican Republic. We rented a few cars, packed them full of cruisers, and headed east on a 5-hour drive to the Samana Peninsula.
Our friends John and Catch run a popular travel website called Two Monkeys Travel. They were offered a week's stay at a beautiful beachfront house near Las Terrenas and E Limon. With 5 rooms, a large kitchen, a pool, and a beach, Casa Blanca was a perfect setup for our group. And it came equipped with its own house dog. We named him Blanco. And he got along great with the rest of our pack, Roxy and Arthur.
He was like, there's a bunch of nurse sharks, and I was like, I don't understand. Does that mean get out of the water or go fuck with the nurse sharks? Yeah. He was like, no, just go get around them. Like, gonna be outside.
Yeah, you want to? You won't like it?
We're gonna do swimming. Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Ruh-roh.
Uh-oh. Here.
This way.
Come here. Come here. Yeah, come here.
Good boy.
Yeah. No?
Oh, good job, Arthur. He's like, all right, The highlight of the trip was our excursion to the beautiful E Limon waterfall. Tucked deep in the mountainous jungle, we arranged for horses to bring us there and back.
Pancho, arriba.
Arriba, Pancho.
How'd that go for you?
Yeah. I was nervous. I didn't want to fall off the horse. My poor little horse fell on her knees.
Paloma.
So, Paloma. I have the smallest horse.
waterfall.
Beautiful.
How the hell would you jump out? I've never had it.
Do you like spicy?
Yeah.
The waterfall at E Limon drops 130 feet into the beautiful emerald pool below and is an awe-inspiring sight.
Man, that wind is coming right off of there.
While executing the perfect pull-away shot, I failed to notice the large mountain behind me. The drone caught the trees near the top, luckily near the refreshment shack. We were able to hone in on its location using the built-in GPS tracker. I don't know how, but this guy was able to climb 20 feet up a 4-inch tree trunk located on the side of a very steep mountainside. It was impressive, to say the least. A handsome tip, a round of beers for his boys, and more importantly, bragging rights. That's a good day for these fellas.
He went, he climbed the tree?
Yeah.
The guy climbed the tree? This is a story.
They're gonna get you brag about that.
And now it's flying.
Did it.
The Adventures of King Arthur.
Look at King Arthur as he is faced with yet another difficult obstacle. A raging river, perceivably too deep to cross. But this does not matter, as Arthur refuses to wet the royal paws. Along with his Dominican sidekick, Blanco, they must find a way to traverse this seemingly impassable impediment. Unfortunately, Blanco doesn't seem to be much help to our good king. Taking matters into his own paws, King Arthur meticulously walks the shoreline. His keen eye spots a weakness. Arthur takes a moment to harness his teachings of the Taoist monk. Detaching his ego, he releases his fear of failure. No self, no enemy, as it's the enemy within that causes all of our fears, worries, and insecurities. The result? Success. You've done it again, King Arthur. You've done it again. So, in the aftermath of our drone crash, it's surprisingly pretty minor, is this cracked propeller, which really isn't a big deal. I got extras of these. But an interesting thing on the gimbal is that the gimbal is over that little L bracket. So this thing has to be pulled out slightly so it can be pushed up and down and then back in. And now you see it's under, see that little L bracket. So super surprised that this thing didn't get completely destroyed. Super surprised that we even got it back. So I think we dodged a bullet there. About $1,000 bullet.
Yeah. The nice thing about the DR is the food. Fresh seafood and produce everywhere. And cheap. This night, the house caretaker prepared a traditional Dominican meal of lobster and seafood stew. It was the perfect base for a heated game of heads up, where the losing team had to pay the ultimate price.
Keep going. The state. Very south, next to Mexico.
I don't even know.
I like to surf a lot. California?
It works. You have to do it in accent.
Valuables out of the pocket. You can if you really feel you have to. I'm not joking. I don't feel I have to.
No, you don't. You don't walk. You jump. That's the agreement. You jump to the pool.
That's the agreement. Jump! Nice. I don't feel that bad. I'm gonna talk clean. All right, excellent. We're not the winners, but they're right.
Oh, it's pretty good.
Nice.
Oh my god. Now they're having fun.
These guys are gonna go ride horses on the beach, but they're not just gonna take a casual little stroll. They're gonna race them or some craziness.
Before we left, we had a couple of the kids bring the horses back down to the beach near our house. Our plan was to race each other down the beach, but the horses had a different plan altogether. Still, it gave John and Steven a chance to give their best Vladimir Putin impression. In the end, it was a fantastic week with great friends and far from any boat projects.
He likes pretty girls.
Yeah, is this Bobby?
That's Bobby.
Go for a tiny one.
Yeah.
It's a big horse compared to mine.
Yeah, you had the little horse.
Breathing heavy.
Yeah, I must try to figure it out alone. And now, ooh, when you're gone, ooh, I know things won't be the same no more. I'm sure it'll take a while 'cause